Okay, hello. Please welcome. Well, gap down. The war in Iran keeps going. We don't know what's going to happen. We're still in the big chop. And bad news for silver. I thought we might be having some more follow through, but we violate with gapping down below this area, which I thought we were going to hold because we got the 10, the 20, the 50. We really thought we were going to have like slow grinding below, but towards this 10-20 and then move up. So if we cannot, well, I'm going to have sell half of everything that I have straight away. And then if we violate this law, I'll be all out completely out. Well, before that, no. That law. It's too much. SNDK, the same. SNDK is now gapping down, lower. We'll see. I want to give it the time to think and see what happens. Um, Such a shame because the earnings and the numbers are beautiful, and I don't think this is not cyclical. This is for the future, but we need to wait. We might need and we will deserve and pullback, healthy pullback to the 50, perhaps even lower. You know, we'll see what happens. AOI, I already sold half. Not worried. UAME, I already sold a quarter, a third, about a third yesterday, so not worried neither. And Sean, we have to let these things work. Already sold half yesterday. So that's the plan. Not the nicest, most beautiful plan, but yeah, nothing in pre-market. I sold in pre-market. Like, okay, let's see. I didn't see anything important. So I'm just waiting for the market to open and close some positions. New lows by right SLP. Let's go with this. So, sorry, SNDK, SNDK. I'll run wait. It's moving higher, which is it's good. Why Shaman UAME? Okay. It's better to be just quick, taking profits. The stock doesn't do what you were expecting. That's fine, but you have to get out. That's a must. You must get out. You must get out. SNDK at least, not much is lost, but you know, that's it. It's now below the MAs. Yeah. Break even. Taking everything. The dollar is strong. I still don't quite figure. I haven't figured out. Right. SLB and SNDK all out. It is what it is. It's one have to take. We're gonna put it in this all out today. SNDK. Thanks God I took a partial yesterday. SNDK again. It's like MU. It's hanging around, but below the MAs, yeah, it's no. AOI, silver, SNDK, Sham. Whoa. I'm saying for Sham. If it violates, I'm out. AOI, don't mind. Leaving some more room. And SNDK. Full or blue. That's all out. Didn't work, so you just, you get out. AOI is a short. Sorry. It's a short. It's failing. The old man hanging. That's a short. Yeah, I didn't see it yesterday. That's short. You see the 1 minute. Yeah, once it reps. AOI is short. I don't know to take it, whether to take it or not. It has to flush through this 90 area. Yeah, that's a short. If we flush, we might still retest this high is even. Okay, it's okay. One has to act quick and solve something doesn't go to plan. What you were expecting the thing to do, just get out. Then you ask questions later. But first of all out. We are wrong many times. Yeah, not much defensive and super choppy. So the best we can do is we protect ourselves to eat. 27. Really careful. And not to forget bigs. Super high. Bigs. The volatility is above 20, so that's also not the best environment for swings. Where is the trade right now? That's the question. In the dollar? Buying dollars? Yeah, I think I did it right. I wasn't expecting it to violate this gap. Now it's acting as a resistance, not to mention that we're below the MAs. Uh-uh, not nice. I thought we were gonna play around this area, which also happens to be the 50, and no, that's not what I was expecting. If he sets up again, okay, then we can talk, and we'll find a low risk entry. But for now, uh-uh, close your stuff and then ask questions later. UPS set from 27 to 24. Hey, going down. We're going down. No, 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 no. Be the one. Wait. Wow. Hey, why strong? All right. I still think it's a short. I don't know where it's gonna go, but intraday, I will wait for intraday chart and for it to show me maybe one or two, yeah, stuff like that. True. Some out. Okay. Let's listen to the market. Yeah, I don't like it. I don't like it at all. So, you take it was a very, very small trade, but it's getting ugly. Questions just out. There we go. Sean. And it's there we go. You have to do what you have to do, and no questions asked. But later you have to ask questions and wonder and what happened. Damn, I still think AOIs might be the best short for today. All out SLP. Phew, Sean. Whoa. IVRX. Something is going. What's happening with the market? It looks like we're going a little bit crazy. We're going a little bit local. Selling, speeding up. There we go. Woof. Am I gonna get stopped out already? Oh my god. Probably. I thought it was done. A very small size, just in case we flush. 'Cause it looks like we could flush and spy. Super weak. Yeah. SLB allowed, SNDK allowed, AAOI still keeping my long. Me not liking. Me not liking the looks. UAMY, I'm gonna exit UAMY also. As long as I have some small profit, you know. That's a profit. Sorry, partial taken. And that's me getting out. It's not good, and when it's not good, it's not good. So UAMY. Keep your small gain for as long as you can. Right. And the one that I want, I think I already got stopped out. Not yet. Probably gonna get stopped out. AOI also. I'm gonna train my long position so I only really have the long. Yeah, small position. About to get stopped out. Why? I really think AOI can go. It's just, you cannot trade. Or if you're gonna trade a backside, then of course you have to give it more room. Not this little room. Okay, I think I think I did the right thing. You have to just see the market doing this and leaving the range to the downside after a long time. I'm sorry, you have to take measures into your account. And by the way, volume seems to be speeding up also. Yeah, big volume, the 5 minute bar up. Exit first and then ask questions later. It, what I thought was going to happen didn't happen. So you take your stuff and you go, I really think this is a short, but it should have been taken yesterday. And then today you play around with the short, but But no, we'll see what happens. I'm only focused on AOI. I really see this thing going down. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get stopped out, but yeah, Bix. No, 17 stocks going up. It's 4 o'clock nearly. 15 stocks going up. Oh wow. Inverse leverage at the end, gold miners. Wow. Nothing. It's been a long time since we haven't seen this market, eh? 15 stocks. And what do we have in. Oh, sorry, 15 minutes. Whoa. SPY. Well, I think the move to the downside is not speeding up like I thought will be. It's QQQ doing that, not like, nothing is really lost. I just want to protect myself. Protect myself first, and then we talk. We speak. I still have to be more patient. I have to be more patient. You can just. We'll see what happens. All hopes on AOI. How do I mark the shorts? Yeah, I need to mark the shorts with black. Sean, whoa. Whew. Jesus. Jesus. Yeah. There's a time to buy, there's a time to sell, there's a time to go to play golf. Don't even think it's time to short. I'm just, AOI is so extended that one can take the trade. Volatility is increasing. Yeah, this is not the place to put a stop starter. In fact, I think it will be really helpful if we could go down 9-10% to this previous support, rebuild some sort of base, another base. All right, not much to do. Not much to do. If you didn't take a short yesterday, pretty much Again, my XON is going down, but look at Battalion Oil Corporation. My goodness. Battalion. 500%. It's just that. Netflix. Below 200, but yeah. Okay. RL, UVXY. I'm just gonna look at my positions once again, and then I'm off. I'm probably off. So far, it's working. Now you can put this. I would say at least we have a defined risk. There's the 10 here. We violate this 5 minute. Okay, three something like 4%. Now we will put the trade. That makes more sense, at least. All right. Not the strong. I just want to check the leaders. Leaders gonna lead. AMD, SLB, strong. I don't know. I think I went for no. Strong. Those stocks with big volume. Hopefully, some of them become EPs and are EPs. So I'm always looking to, follow risk entries on those stocks with earnings. Not now, not today. Nothing seems to be broken. Yeah, we're going down, but nothing looks to me the highest probability trade is AOI. I think that was too much of an up move, but not much. Ooh, nice HL. Well, okay. Are you flashing already, AO? No, no, it's not. Show, yeah. Um, INTC. Some stocks breaking down. Who knows what happens by the end of the day? Cielo, ¿quieres helado de pistacho? Muy bien, corazoncita. Vale. Muy bien, corazón. Comer yo sola. Ahí. Okay, thank you for listening and watching. And I will just stop the thing. I don't see much. I honestly don't think. I don't think my AI sort is gonna work. Hopefully, it's gonna work. We'll see. Um, because I anticipate. I still don't have a playbook for shorts, but to me, is the one with the highest probability, given the volume marks, given how it closed yesterday. To me, is the highest probability one. Yeah, I'm not